Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today I am going to COSM. It is an experience. COSM holds concerts as well as sports events, and it's like a really big movie theater. The screen is in a sphere shape, I believe. My husband surprised me with tickets to this venue. We are going to watch my favorite football team, which is my hometown football team called Baltimore Ravens. Take a look at my sweater, Ravens. And I'm so excited because normally we would watch football in our living room on a TV. So this is going to be quite a treat. Come along. I made it to the parking lot. Now we're heading in to the venue and I can't wait to show you, and I can't wait to see how cool it is inside. COSM. C-O-S-M. COSM. We're heading in. It's a new development, and I'm curious if the owners of COSM also own Sphere in Vegas. This is the entrance of the venue. Nice bar setup. Our game isn't starting for another hour. Oh, we're playing the Bengals? Okay, we are playing the Bengals. Woohoo! Go Ravens! We are riding the escalator. Actually, I should say we're heading up the escalator. People don't normally say we're riding the escalator. Anyway, we are taking the escalator up to the first floor where the seats are. It's actually very fancy here. I'm happy to see a lot of Ravens fans. Wow.
Yeah, we'll talk about it.
Follow him?
Welcome, guys.
Thank you. This is crazy. It really feels like we're actually at the game. Everything you see in front of us is actually a large TV screen. If this was a real game, we would be sitting at the end zone, I believe. We ordered grilled salmon tacos that has pickled onions, cabbage, and maybe a pico de gallo on a corn tortilla. It came with a side of lime, a lime wedge. Hello! We just got out of the game and it was a very stressful game because it was like a ping pong back and forth. Everyone was scoring and finally my team won. Yay! Now I'm going home. I have about a 45-minute drive back home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!